We gotta brush it up. We can't be going around with bushy eyebrows. No. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Timmy again. So today we're going to be doing some get ready video. Yay! So get started with me. Okay, so today we're going to be applying I'm going to be applying my foundation, my Revlon Color Stay, which is this. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's that. So we're gonna get going. So just a quick story, I'm kind of late for my date night, so I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as I can. Okay, alright, so I'm going to apply that and then use a little bit of my Fenty Beauty to just mix it together. I showed this in my previous videos, how I apply my foundation. Same stuff I do all the time, no new technique, same thing. So I'm going to blend the foundation together on my palms and just apply, and just so I just let you guys know I already moisturized my face and I already did all the necessary things, applied some oil to my face, and that's why it's kind of shiny now. But right now I don't have no makeup on except for my eyelashes, just because I want to get this as quickly as I can. Because like my baby's waiting. Bad habit, I know. Okay, so let's get started, and I'm just gonna apply my foundation. That when I apply foundation on my face, I don't usually like to put it around my hair because I feel like it's gonna stick there and it's never gonna come out. So I have kind of got into that habit of just ignoring that part of my forehead, which is right here, right close to my hairline, because I'm like so scared that if I apply it there, the foundation is never gonna come off and I have to have all this yucky stuff in my hair. But you know what, if you don't want to look like a ghost, you gotta apply it there. You got to apply it there if you don't want to look like a ghost. And no, I'm not trying to look like a clown tonight. So we're just gonna apply the foundation, just blending, make sure we're not missing any part. See, I can see I have a streak of line here. And sometimes when I find that I have a hard time blending, I just sometimes use my matte spray when I find that it's very matte, and then I just blend that in. What I look like right now. That. And guys, don't be like me. Don't get into that habit of forgetting to blend that upper hairline. You need to blend that in. Okay, so that is done. Just want to make sure that everything is well blended in, and sometimes we always forget to go behind the ears. There was a time I videoed my sister and she had a black line here, and you can see that fine demarcation between a makeup neck and the ones that's not maked up. So don't always forget to put it around here. We always forget. Just don't forget to blend that area. And then now I'm gonna go into Aurora Marcier, which is this powder right here, and it looks like that. We're just gonna apply that on top, and I really like this powder because sometimes you don't even need to put foundation to use it. it's so sheer and it just looks very nice, and it makes, I find that it makes makeup stay all night, especially if you're going dancing. And don't forget your high. So that's done. Then I like to go with my eyebrow. So we're gonna do the eyebrow quickly. First of all, we gotta brush it. We gotta brush it up. We can't be going around with bushy eyebrows. No, we're not trying to capture some rat when we go on our date. We're not trying to do that. So we gotta brush that out, and we're going to draw it. We're gonna draw that fine ass eyebrow. Eyebrow. My sister corrected me the other day. She said I wasn't pronouncing it right. That it's high brown, not eyebrow. But anyway, you get what I mean. I'm talking about this right here. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to draw our eyebrow. And I'm just using my gel. I always show you guys my product. I don't know if you guys can see it here. Ooh, I'm liking the way I look. Look at some neck goes right here. Some shoulder goes. Just kidding. So okay, let's keep going. So we're going to put some concealer just on the eyebrow. Just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Aurora Glow, Kids Glow. That's that there. Just gonna use that, and I'm just going to use the you know what? I'm gonna use the Spectra, this one right here. Just gonna use that. Just use it just at the top of my cheek. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer just under my eyes, just to redefine my eyes a little bit. And I'm using my NARS concealer in dark cafe. And that's done. And you know what? I almost forgot putting the concealer under my eye because I'm rushing to get this video done. Do you guys, so just a quick question, do you guys always use your concealers under your eyes sometimes when you're trying to go for a look? Like, do you guys always apply it, or you guys just get rid of it, or you guys just don't do it? You just do a foundation and a powder on top? Let me know. Sometimes I apply the concealer, sometimes I don't, but most of the time I do. Just today I'm rushing, trying to do this video as quickly as I can and get out of the house. So that's done. And I'm just gonna use this baking powder here, just a little bit of it. I'm not trying to go too dramatic. And the baking powder is from Nude by Nature. Nude by Nature. So I'm just gonna apply the blush. My blush is from NYX. This is one of the old blushes I have from a long time ago. You can see the name is even plain enough. I've had this from a long time ago. And I'm just gonna apply it just to give me a little tint of color. And that's it. And I'm going to just, I had already worn my eyelashes, so I'm just gonna put on another, I'm gonna put on a coat of mascara just at my eyelash. Going to apply my lipstick. This is by MAC, and it's a matte. Smoked purple lipstick. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, guys. I'm gonna apply that. So I'm applying that to my lip here, and this is by you know what, I don't even know who has this. You know, I bought it from a drugstore. Oh, it's Rimmel London. It's actually by Rimmel London, and it's a Stay Matte lipstick. I love this lipstick. The only downside to it is it doesn't last for too long. I don't like that. I'm just gonna top it up. I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm wearing 2 lipsticks at a time. So yeah. So I'm just gonna apply that. And voila, we're done. We are done. We're going to go into styling my clothes. Stay close. Okay, don't go nowhere. Let me go wear my clothes. So right now, so I just straightened my hair. I just like it. I like the way I look now. And I'm just wearing this earring, which is from Topshop. And I'm just going to show you my full outfit. Loving this shirt. And this shirt is actually from Zara. Like that. Show you the back. So it looks very lacy. It's very comfortable. And I have this bralette I'm wearing, which is from Lavender Rose. I've actually worn it as a bikini before. You guys can go scroll down to my Instagram to see how I styled this as a bikini. And then I have this really silky skirt. It's a really long skirt, like I'm telling you guys, so long. I'll show it to you now so you guys can have a look. It's like super long. This is what the skirt looks like. And I'm wearing this shoe here, which is from the Bay, and I really like it. It's really cute. And I'm going to be pairing it up with a really nice bag. And I got this bag from Saks the Fifth. It's a Valentino purse. As you can see, I'm going to be styling like a crossbody bag, and I like it because it's got the gold detailing, like that. And then with my shoe, I thought it's very purplish and it's very cute, and I really like the outfit. I really do. I have to bend down to kind of have you guys take a look at the whole outfit. Let me know if you guys like this. I think I might actually have my hair just behind. I don't know. Actually, I think I'll just have it like this so I can have my earrings dangled. But I really like this look, guys. Oh, I really do like it. And I love it with this purse, especially like with that purse. And I like the fact that the bottom looks really long and it looks like, oh, I am innocent today. But the top part looks like, oh, I want to have a nice time tonight. Just make comments on what you like about the outfit. Do you like the color? Is there a different way I could have done my hair with this outfit? Just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys would like to see more of me getting ready to go somewhere. How I look. Love you guys. Hi lovely people, do not forget to subscribe.